Good morning. This is I think day 4. So today we're going to start doing the joist in here. Let me show you what's going on. So I'll be laying out the joists here, and I want them to sit right on the side of those, straight down to the sill plate. So I'm going to use the laser to achieve the correct layout. And the reason why I want that is so when I put the 2x6s up there next to the 2x4s, the load goes straight down from ceiling to joists to sill plate to foundation. And that's the way it's supposed to happen. So we're going to be doing that, getting it laid out on both sides, and then we'll set the laser up to make sure that this is plumb here. It doesn't have a, look like a snake. And then we'll start measuring off of sill plate to the beam there, and we'll start cutting, start putting them on there. I'll put you guys on time lapse somewhere. I'll try to do it somewhere in here so you guys can see what's going on. And let me know if you guys like the time lapse, or do you like the chesty. Let me know what you like. I find it hard to talk to you guys when I'm working. I forget to, but let me know in the comments. Thanks. We'll put you on time lapse. Good morning, everybody. This is day, I don't know, I lost count, but it's a new day. This is how far I got last night before the camera died. Let me show you. So I got from back that way all the way to here. It's about 10 of them I put in yesterday, plus the cap. And it's going pretty good. I started off trying to put these hangers in first, and I just couldn't get them right. So I went to this here. It's just a little block of wood, and as you can see, they come out pretty good. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. We got a lot of rain last night. A lot of rain. I'm from Arizona. It don't rain like this down there. It rained from probably 5 o'clock in the evening all the way until about 9 o'clock this morning, and it's still sprinkling. So getting a little late start, had to fix some floods here and there, but I think we made it. But we'll put you on time lapse and I'll get to work. So this is the other side. There's that side over there. So a few more to do, but what I've run into is on these here, my board here for this little support wall, this temporary wall, it falls right where I need to put my joists. So what I'm going to do, turn you back around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack it up and then just scoot this over a little bit. That way we can put them on there. It's not hard, it's just more of a nuisance than anything. I've also been having problems with the joist hangers, getting the nails in to go into these side slots right here. It's tricky. Look at my finger there. That's where I was holding the gun and shot the nail in there, and it came down and hit me. But what can you do? Just be careful. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got about 7 more, and then the perimeter on this side, that side, and I have to do this side here too, the rest of it. But getting it done. So hang in there.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life. The weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make.
Good morning, everybody. This is day, I don't know, it's one of those days, and well, we got it done. Let me show you. So it's all done, all the way down, all the way up. Nice and level. So what I'm doing now is I'm installing these guys here, these blockings down the middle there, and I have to do the other side. That's what I'm doing now, and then after we do that, we'll put we'll measure out a spacing to put a piece of plywood around the perimeter, so that way I can put the 2x6 for the verts. I can put the sill plate on there, and then I can start running my 2x6s up for my verticals. That's what I'm doing today. So stay tuned. I'll put you guys on time lapse. I know you guys probably hate that thing, but all right. Alright guys, the floor is done. We still have to put some plywood around the perimeter so I can put the bottom sill plate for the verticals on there. Obviously I can't put all the plywood on because I have my temporary walls up there, but it's done. Be sure to tune in next week to see the verts go up, and thanks for watching.